This is my friend Ryan. We first met 8 years ago in middle school at L.R. Green. We quickly became friends, and by the time high school rolled around, we were practically inseparable. We did everything together, from running the mud run at Camp Pendleton to going on vacations. When we finally graduated from high school, we were excited that we both decided to go to Palomar and would get at least 2 more years together. But now that I've moved on from Palomar, it feels as if I'm leaving my best friend behind.
How long have you been in Palomar?
I've been there for 3 years.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science, hopefully with a focus on programming.
What classes are you taking?
So I'm taking physics, programming, and calculus.
Are they difficult?
Well, calculus, not so much. I find it pretty easy. But physics, I'm almost guaranteed going to fail it. And programming, I'm finding fairly easy, but there's plenty of challenge involved.
And how much time do you spend like schoolwork and stuff?
I would say outside of class, I spend upwards of maybe 6 hours a day. And then in class, I've got 4 hours every day.
So you don't have any free time?
Not at all.
Before Ryan's workload got out of hand like it is now, we would longboard every day, get all different types of food, and just mess around. But now I'm lucky if I get to see him once a week.
In the little amount of free time that you do have, what do you like to do?
Just for having a few hours at a time, I like to go disc golfing, play tennis, longboard. On weekends where I have more time from programming, I like to go dirt biking, mountain biking, camping, pretty much anything outdoorsy.
How much longer do you have at Palomar?
Well, I was planning on transferring after this semester, but I'm pretty much guaranteed going to fail physics, so I'm going to have to wait at least another full semester.
Why are you going to fail physics?
Well, I'm probably going to fail it just because it's such a difficult class to be taken for the first time. Really the only people that pass it are people who have taken it at least twice. And even then, his pass rate for the class is maybe 5 out of 30 students.
With the possibility that Ryan might still be at Palomar when I graduate, and then at least have 2 more years of school after that, I feel like my best friend that I've gone through everything with since I was 12 is being left behind. And even though he won't say it, I know it upsets him and that he feels the same. Where do you want to transfer to once you get done at Palomar?
Well, my plan for now is to transfer to UC Riverside. I'm kind of limited in my options because every UC requires different classes for the same major. But if it comes to it, if I have to take too many extra classes, I might just spend an extra year at Palomar just to open up my options and have other schools to choose from.
As sad as it is, I feel like the days when Ryan and I just longboard and mess around all day are over. Hopefully Ryan is able to get out of Palomar sooner rather than later. But when he does, he will be years behind all our other friends, and it won't be any easier. When he does finally finish at Palomar, Ryan will be moving away, so we will never get to have the same kind of friendship we had before. But at least I can look back on all the good times we've had, from L.R. Green into high school and then into college, and know that Ryan and I will always be friends.